Hello everyone, welcome to attend our class. Today we are going to study section 6.2, Shortages and Symbols of welds. In section 6.2.1, we will study weld defects and the corresponding regulation about quality inspection of welds. In section 6.2.2, the symbols of welds in drawing will be introduced. Weld defect refers to the defect on the surface or inside of the steel in the weld metal or the heated affected zone during the welding process. Common weld defects include crack, weld head, burn through, arc pit, porosity, slag inclusion, uncut, non-fusion, non-penetration, etc. Crack is the most dangerous defect in welding joint. There are many reasons for cracks, such as improper mechanical composition of steel, unreasonable selection of welding process conditions, such as current, voltage, welding speed, welding sequence, etc., and the surface oil stream of welding parts is not cleaned. The existence of weld defects will weaken the stressed area of the weld and cause stress concentration and the defect. And the defect will affect the strength, impact toughness, and could bending of the connection. Therefore, weld quality inspection is very important. Weld quality inspection generally includes appearance inspection and internal non-destructive inspection. Ultrasonic inspection is a widely used internal non-destructive inspection, which is flexible, economical, sensitive to internal defects, but difficult to identify the nature of defects. In addition, X-ray radiography can be used, but it is not as widely used as ultrasonic inspection. The Code for Acceptance of Construction Quality of Steel Structures in China stipulates that welds are classified into Grade 1, Grade 2, and Grade 3. Grade 1 and Grade 2 welds require a certain amount of ultrasonic inspection, and the detectation rate of Grade 1 welds is 100%, and the detectation rate of Grade 2 welds is 20%. The Grade 3 welds only require the appearance inspection. In designing drawings, welds are described by special symbols, providing information about the weld's position, size, and configuration, etc. A standard welding symbol is generally composed of basic symbol and guideline, and supplementary symbol and weld size if necessary. The basic symbol represents the cross-section shape of the weld, including fillet weld symbols and groove butt weld symbols. The supplementary symbol includes some characteristics of the weld, such as indicating the weld to be installed on site or workshop, weld with 3 sides or 2 sides, etc. The guideline is generally composed of a horizontal line and a diagonal line with an arrow pointing to the corresponding weld in the drawing. The top and the bottom of the line are used to mark the basic symbol and weld size. When the arrow of outgoing line points to one side of the weld, the basic symbol and weld size shall be marked above the horizontal line. When the arrow points to the other side of the corresponding weld, the basic symbol and weld size shall be marked below the horizontal line. When the distribution of welding seams is complicated or cannot be clearly expressed by the above methods, a group of grid lines can be added beside the welding length so that the welding seam symbol can be marked or expressed more clear. That's all for this lesson. See you next time.